Hello, I'm Brady and Hyland, and these are my wall tricks. Got it from Stan. So if you want to see how it works, just come here. So for the regular exit, and now the trap door. Just need to get this ready.
Wow.
Oh, so now we're on to the crash gate right here. So here we go. This car got stuck. Take 2 on the crash gate. Later I'm going to do some close-ups. I forgot to do this.
That's okay, you can do it again.
So, restart. The heck? That's the crash gate. And now we're going to do some close-ups.
Okay,
So, the starting. That is close-up. I one part at a time.
Okay.
So let's try the starting again. So, here we go. Ready. I said one part at a time.
Well, you have to show the whole, you have to follow the car.
Okay. And that was it. Goodbye. Goodbye.